Unit 3. In the kitchen. Cooking methods. Bake. Boil. Fry. Grill. Roast. Steam. Cooking process. Add. Chop. Cook. Cover. Crack. Cut. Dice. Drain. Grate. Heat. Knead. Mash. Melt. Mix. Peel. Pour. Put. Rinse. Roll. Serve. Slice. Spread. Sprinkle. Squeeze. Stir. Whisk. Taste of food. Bitter. Greasy. Fatty. Hot. Milky. Salty. Sour. Spicy. Sweet. Delicious. Tasty. Other important vocabulary. Dessert. Dish. Meal. Dough. Have a sweet tooth. Homemade. Ingredient. Mixture. Ready. Recipe. Step. Surface. Taste. Traditional. How do you cook chicken? How do you usually cook chicken?
We usually roast it.
How do you usually cook eggs?
I usually boil or fry them.
How do you usually cook meat?
We usually grill or roast it. We sometimes fry it too.
Ingredients.
The pasta is delicious. What's in it?
A package of pasta, a pinch of salt, a teaspoon of oil and tomato sauce.
Ingredients. Baking powder, beef steak, bell pepper, butter, cabbage, carrot, chili pepper, cucumber, egg, flour, garlic, honey, meat, milk, mint, oil, onion, parsley, rice, salt, spices, sugar, vinegar, walnut, watermelon. What are the ingredients? What's in it? What do you need to cook? What are the ingredients of this salad?
It includes 2 tomatoes, a cucumber, an onion, salt and oil.
Kitchen tools. Baking tray, blender, bowl, cup, fork, grater, knife, mat, microwave, mixer, mug, oven, pan, plate, pot, refrigerator, saucepan, spoon, strainer, vegetable peeler. Before, after. Before. Before serving, let the rice cool for 10 minutes. Let the rice cool for 10 minutes before serving. After. After cracking 2 eggs, beat them well. Beat the eggs well after cracking them. Describing a process. We use first, then, next, after that, and finally to tell the order of events while talking about a process.
How to make an omelette. First, put the pan on the cooker and heat it. Second, put a little butter or a teaspoon of olive oil in it. Next, slice the green pepper and chop the tomatoes. In a bowl, whisk the eggs and add a pinch of salt and black pepper. After that, put the tomatoes and green peppers in the pan and cook them about 5 minutes. Finally, pour the egg mixture into the pan and cook it for 5 minutes. Your omelette is ready. Enjoy it!
Chocolate cake recipe. Ingredients: 4 eggs, 1 glass of powdered sugar, 2 glass of flour, 1 glass of oil, 1 glass of milk, 1 packet of baking powder, 1 packet of vanilla, 50 grams of cacao. Process: first, mix the sugar and eggs in a mixing bowl for 2 minutes. Second, add the oil and milk and mix it again. After that, add flour and cacao and mix them a little. Next, add vanilla and baking powder and mix. Pour the mixture into a cake mold and bake it for 30 minutes at 180 degrees. Bon appetit!